Get started. Okay, good to see everyone here again. It's another new day. Okay, so let's go through the market right now. Okay, let's go through the S&P index. Last week we had our Invest Fair. I think I didn't participate in Invest Fair for like 10 years. And then last week I had the opportunity to participate again. Okay, so okay, so let's go to the S&P charts right now. Okay, we will take out this. Okay, and first thing first, we can see that the trend. Okay, the weekly charts. Okay, can you see this is the weekly charts right now? Okay, we're supported by the 20 and 40 MA. This is a support area right now. Okay, we have the MA that is sloping up. At the same time, we also have the CCI that is down right now. Okay, so what is it trying to tell us is at this moment there are support. Okay, there are people supporting the stock. There are people buying the stock right now for S&P 500. Okay, right now. Okay, and for this, right, to trigger, okay, for this to trigger, what you want to look for is you can look for, okay, you look for some kind of rebound, okay, from this down move here. Okay, you can either draw a trend line down on the daily charts, you can draw a trend line down, okay, or you can even use a moving average as a trigger, okay, moving average as a trigger, or a trend line down as a trigger. So I would say when the price goes above maybe here, okay, that will be our trigger. Okay, do take note, price is still coming down right now. Okay, price is still on the leg down, so we will count. This is leg 1, 2, 3. Still we are on the third leg down. Okay, we do not know whether this will swing up or not. Okay, it may jolly well after this support continue to go down further, or it can swing up. Okay, so right now I would say that right now we are on a third week. Okay, our third week. When it was this week, I already mentioned in the webinar, market was overbought. Be careful. Okay, right now we are going into the oversold region. We actually right now have the setup ready. We actually had a setup right now, waiting for trigger. Okay, waiting for trigger. So right now it's 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth week. Okay, the fourth week of the trigger. Okay, it can trigger to this week, or it can maybe even shorten. Okay, so if it's shortened, okay, it can become something like this. Okay, it can shorten and become a candle that's smaller here. Okay, or even lower here. Okay. This actually is good so long as the candle don't go longer. So long as the candle don't go longer, that means if it goes longer like that, okay, if it goes longer that way, and close below the swing low here, or close below the moving average low, then we need to be cautious. Okay, then we need to be careful. Okay, that means there may be further downside. Okay, at this moment we are looking at the picture. This is the support area. We are looking for a swing up, maybe in the next 1 month. Okay, that means the next 3 to 4 candles, we will be looking for a swing up. And when the price swing up, we want to be able to take a trade. Okay, we will be able to take a trade for the price to swing up this way again. For the price to swing up this way. Okay, from here to swing up to here. You all follow? Okay, so bullish scenario is it breaks above and swing up. Bearish scenario is if you break below this swing low, break below the moving average and continue downwards. Okay, even when it breaks downwards, that if it breaks downwards, there is no trade. Okay, if it breaks upward, there is a trade. If it breaks downwards, then there is no trade over here because it breaks below the 2040 MA. Okay, there is no trade. okay, that you cannot trade it. Got it? Is it very clear for everyone? Any question? So do watch out for a possible swing up back to this here. Right now we are at the CCI low, which will possible swing up. If it breaks down, why it cannot trade is because very simple, Kai, is because there's no risk reward. Okay, there's no risk reward. If you do a swing down, where do you put your stop loss? Correct or not? It can be just one candle down and then swing up again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, it can be another candle down and then next week up again. So there is no stop loss, okay, for that trade. Okay. Okay. Any question on the weekly charts? I hope we are clear. Okay. Can I assume that everybody understand thoroughly the weekly charts, the movement? Can I assume that? Can I? Okay. Let me move on to one more thing. Okay. I talked about this before. This is the trend line. Okay. This is a trend line that started in 08, 11, 15. Recently, the December. Kai, if you want to short, okay, if you want to short, if the keyword is if, okay, is if you want to short later part, you must wait for the MA to swing down, the MA to go down this way, okay, and break off the trend line. Okay, break of this important. By the way, anyway, if it is break of this trend line is very, very, very crucial. What if it break this trend line? That means we may be further downside. Okay, but right now the probability of this happening is, looking at the chart, is still low. Okay, still low. Okay, if it breaks below this support, if it breaks below the trend line, a good area to short will be actually at this level later. Okay, by then the MA will turn down. Got it? Okay, I'm very clear. Okay, no question. Okay, let's go to daily charts. Okay. So daily charts. Okay, daily charts, you can see from here, there is a swing low here. Yes or no? There's another swing low here. Yes or no? Okay, so price currently is not doing this. It's not going lower low. Do you follow? There is a swing low. This price is going this way. Bounce up. It's making an equal low. Yes or no? You can see this from your weekly charts too, right? Okay, so this area here becomes a key area of support. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, and right now price is rebounding. Can you see here, price rebounding back up again? Okay, with the MA sloping up this way, sloping down this way. Okay, if you want to do a short-term trade, okay, if the price goes back up to here, you could do a swing down back to this low again. Clear? Okay, but in terms of trading setup, preferably we want a price that is what? Lower, lower low. Yes or no? In this case, is there a lower low? No, right? It's not forming a lower low. So this is a swing, still a swing setup, but it's not our ideal lower low trade setup. By then, when the price goes to here, okay, the CCI will go to here. Okay, we will see. Okay, maybe you can swing back down to maybe half. Okay, that will be the daily swing. Any question? Can I assume that everyone understand the daily charts movement? So it really depends on your time frame, guys. If you are doing weekly charts, you are looking to buy. Okay, sorry, so messy. Okay, but you are looking for weekly charts. You are looking to buy. Okay, because you want it to break for the high to move to a swing here, a swing high to buy. Okay, to swing up here, okay? But if you are doing daily charts, then you are not doing a swing, you're not doing a 5-week trade, which is a last next 20 candle trade. You're looking for a short-term swing back down, maybe to back to 3. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I will prefer to actually do the swing up rather than the swing down. Why? Because the swing down, why I don't prefer the swing down is because the swing down do not have a lower low. So if the price goes to here, do you follow what I'm saying? The price goes to here, we do not have a lower low trade setup. Yes? Yes or no? We do not have a lower low setup. Whereas on the weekly charts, do we have a higher high? We have a higher high. Yes or no? Okay. So I will prefer to do a weekly swing up rather than a daily swing down, because the setup on the weekly swing up is better, nicer looking than the swing down on the daily charts. Okay. Any question? Do you all understand? Hope I don't confuse you all with the time frame. Again, it's all about your holding period. Okay. No question. I move on. Let's look at Hang Seng. Okay, Nasdaq is around the same. Hang Seng Index. So last week I mentioned this. I don't know how many of you took the trade, but I was doing some analysis on the markets. Okay, I posted up on the Facebook. I think nobody took the trade, but I did some analysis. I felt that at that level, at this level here, when the price was actually slightly lower here, there was a possible reversal trade. Okay, this one we didn't teach in, we don't teach in SMT class. Okay, we don't teach in the SMT class because it's risky. Yeah. Okay, it's risky. So, but at the time the price was at 25294. Okay, 25294. Trigger is 25468. Okay, 25468. 25468 around here. Okay, so that was a trigger. Okay, but this is a reversal trade. Okay, it's a reversal trade. Do some TA, draw some lines, and I say, hey, this level is a good risk reward trade. Okay, because I can do a trade here, put a stop there, and then maybe just do a 1-to-1. Okay, so my target may be back to maybe here or something like that. Okay, that will be my trade. Okay, but I guess most of you all didn't do lah. Okay, so anyway, if you didn't do, still got chance to do. Okay, so what are we looking at right now? Okay, let's look at weekly charts. What we are looking at right now is a possible rebound. Okay, price candle count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Okay, so let's to share with you some of the tricks. Okay, of reading news. Okay, not usually I say don't read news, right? But I do read news. Okay, but it's not using the news to trade. Okay, but you must learn how to read news fatigue. Okay, news fatigue. That means like when during the global financial crisis already, right? Banks are closing down, banks are collapsing, and things like that. People already know that more banks are going to collapse, but the stock market stopped dropping. Okay, that's when you actually know that there is news fatigue. Like for Hong Kong right now, this coming week also got protests. No need to say one, right? Okay, now last week also got protests. No need to say one. We already know already. So they are pricing in all these ongoing protests already. Got it? But even they are pricing in all these ongoing protests, what's happening to the market? Understand? So when we say, hey, we know that next week we're going to have protests. In fact, the next 2 weeks we're going to have protests, right? So what's happening to the market? The market stopped dropping. Can you see? Okay, the market stopped dropping. There is a bit of news fatigue already. There was a first time. Okay, there was a first time trying to bounce, not successful. This is the second time. Okay, this is the second bounce. Okay, Usually it's like that. Okay, usually the market will hit a major support, when there is news fatigue, when people know that, yeah, you're going to protest already. They're going to be violent already, you know. Not last week was also violent, right? But it's going to be violent or whatever. So all these are pricing into the Hong Kong market. We know, you know, flights are disrupted and things like that, or maybe disrupted again later. Don't know. But point is, when we treat the charts, we look at all this, we look at the charts, what's happening to the news, and what's happening in the chart. We draw trend lines. We know that all this is starting to price in. Okay, it's starting to price in. So we find a good risk reward trade. Okay, from here. Okay. How to draw the dot line is this one. You click this one. Okay. Okay, and then you click line. Okay, that's how you draw the dot blue line. Okay. Susan, click on this one, then click this one. Okay. Any question on where to draw? Huh? That one, where to draw this 626? Oh, that one takes experience. That one is more TA, technical analysis. So how to know where to draw and things like that. I think I teach before, right? So if let's say the highest point is the maximum bullishness, lowest point is the maximum bearishness. Then as example, you need to look at support resistance. You need to draw channels. Okay, all these take time and experience. Okay. Okay. So let's answer Desmond's question. Okay, when is a good time to enter to buy Hong Kong stock? Okay, so let's answer that question. Okay. Susan, that one I cannot answer in the webinar. It's difficult to answer. Okay, so where to buy? Okay, so I assume that Desmond, you are investor, right? You're looking for buying for longer term, right? Not trading, right? Because trading right now is still down, yes or no? But where is a good time to buy? I give you all the precise number right now. Okay, so right now we are at this support rebounding, yes or no? This first uptrend line is support rebounding. The levels to look at is this and this. Okay, let's look at the lowest one. The lowest one is actually SARS, global financial crisis. This I think is a Euro crisis, and then whatever crisis, I don't know. Okay, this level is what we call the capital land, the sell car, sell house level. Okay, don't know when is it going to happen, but it will happen. It will happen later lah. Just that don't know when. Okay, I think the price will rebound, and then after that come back down again. Okay, it will rebound, and then after that break this support line, and then go down some more, maybe to test this line. Okay, that's how I feel about the Hong Kong market. Longer term is still down right now. Okay, longer term is still down. Right now it's just a very short term rebound, that's all. Okay, after the short term rebound again, the market will go down, settle this level. So the level to really look at is this one, the third line here. Okay, it may not go to the third line, it may go to the second line or even this line. Okay, but these are the levels. If you're long-term investors, rich here can buy some, rich here can buy some, rich here can buy some. Got it? Okay. So we can split into 2 or 3 tranches lah. Okay, one tranche buy here, one tranche buy here, maybe one tranche buy here. I don't know. Okay, we can put one tranche here, one tranche here. That's all. Okay, this one don't buy because it already rebound already, right? Got it? This one. No, I never say buy long now. So it depend on your time frame. Okay, okay, so it's depend on your time frame. Okay, what is your time frame? If you are an investor right now, I think Hang Seng is not good time to buy now. I just said that, right? Wait for it to go down to here, go down to here. I think it's good level to buy. If you're a trader, you have traded last week lah. This short-term swing lah. From here, you do from here, maybe back to here, then swing down. Okay. Got it? Kyung. Can okay. So Ryan, any gold related stuff to look at? Okay, later. Okay, so okay, any question? No question, we go to STI. I intentionally go a bit slower. Intentionally go a bit slower today because maybe can teach some things also because market is down, right? When market is down, people tend to have this tendency not to trade, which is no good actually, which is no good because got opportunity, then people run away. No opportunity, people want to get in. Very weird. Like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, right? 3 weeks ago, I think, hey, market overbought, don't buy now. Then people still want to buy, keep buying. Like now, maybe it's a good opportunity to look for some longer term trade. Then now is the time to look at it, not 3 weeks ago. Like now got swing setup, right? On the S&P chart. Now is the time to look at it, not like 3 weeks ago. Okay, let's say example STI. Okay, let's look at weekly charts first. So weekly chart, actually STI right now has reached also a trend line support. Okay, you draw this line, draw this line, draw this line. Okay, STI has actually reached a trend line support right now. Okay, this is not a very long-term trend line support, but this trend line support is still from 1/6. Okay, 1/6 February. Okay, February is about 3 years already. This trend line support, trend line support, trend line support, trend line support. Okay, so if you are an investor, if you are buying, if you are going for long term, I think it's not a bad level to buy right now actually. STI. Okay, you want to buy and hold, I think it's not a bad level to buy. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Okay, so let's take a look at long term. Okay, SARS. No, it's not SARS. Global Asia financial crisis. This is SARS. Global financial crisis. Okay, and draw like that. Okay, don't know when, because this is really very, very long term. Okay. Cannot draw also. Okay. Okay. If the really sell car buy level is don't know when, okay, but this is the line. Okay, but it may not go to this line so fast, you know. It may take a while. Okay, so buy in tranches lah. Okay, buy as support lah. Okay, right now can buy some. Okay, if it goes down to 3,000, can buy some. Okay, okay, when it reach down to maybe 2,650, can buy some. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so if you want to wait for rebound, it's also wise. Okay, you say I want to make it more clear first. That means right now on weekly chart it's not clear yet. Okay, it's not clear yet. In fact, you go and see this up candle, this down candle. Basically, the market is sideways. Yes or no? Okay, market is sideways right now. So if you have time to wait, okay, if you have time to wait, then wait lah. Don't need to buy today. Okay, because you want to buy, invest for long term, right? Time to wait, you can wait a bit longer lah. Okay, maybe 3,000 you can buy. Okay, maybe here you can buy 30%. Okay, when you reach here you can buy another 30%. When you reach here you buy the rest. Oh, something like that. That's for buying. Okay, because you don't know. Okay, question is why do we still buy if you know it's going to go down? It's because we don't know whether now we're going to go up already, correct? Okay. I think it will still go down first. Okay. To answer question D, I think it will still go down first. Okay. But right now, maybe have a rebound. Okay. Right now, have a short rebound. The question is why we buy now, even though we know it's going down, is because it may not rebound. Oh, okay. Okay, this is investing, guys. But if you're looking at daily charts, all these are downtrend. Okay, just to give you some context. Okay, possible rebound also right now. Short-term swing. Short-term swing, maybe some rebound over here. Okay. Okay, I don't want to teach the counter trend trade, okay, because it's risky. Okay, if you want to know how to do counter trend trade, it's risky. Okay, then if you don't want to do counter trend trade, then wait for it to rebound, then go short. Okay, for the swing trade. Okay, is it clear? You see, 11 o'clock already. Any question? Daily charts, weekly charts. Daily charts, daily swing, maybe not so good to do swing lah. Okay, because okay, sideways, right? Not so good to do swing. Okay, there are other better things to swing. Okay. Okay, long term, right, guys? Okay, just to clarify one time, long term STI, right, is up one. I think whole stock market, long term, everything is up one. Understand or S&P, everything is up one. If you are buying for long term, everything is up one. Because of inflation, because of all these things, markets up one. Okay. Then the next question is then where to buy. You know, where to buy? You buy at the level you think it is good. Okay, level you think to buy. Okay, if you don't want to buy now, okay. If you don't buy now, because we don't know when it will rebound. Okay, it will rebound right now. Okay, rebound back to the STI can start from here, can rebound back to here, okay, or about half crowd. So we don't know where it will stop, you see. Okay, so Susan, if you are doing long term, look for levels to buy, okay. But STI, I think is more like investing, okay. Trading maybe not so suitable. Okay. Okay, let me move on, and I cover a few stocks there. Then we will call it a day. Okay. Okay, Facebook swing. I think this is a pretty good swing. Okay, weekly charts, it make a recent high. Oh, a recent high. So is there a higher high? Yes. Okay, is there a lower, higher low? Yes. Okay, so waiting for the next swing up. Okay, nice. Okay, waiting for next swing up. Any question? Not bad, right? This one. Okay, we can also draw the trend line like that. This one is nowhere asked, all right? I think so. Okay, so let's go to screen some stocks. Okay, screen some stocks, and let's look for screener. Let's look for NASDAQ. Oh, by the way, the day I post up the article on recession. If you have time, please go and read it. It's quite interesting. Okay, the conclusion is market will always the pain, right, is before the recession. A lot of times it's not during the recession. In fact, during the recession, the market may rise. Okay, that's what I taught in the class, right? Remember in the SMT class, we taught in the fact number one, right? You say during market is always behind. Okay, so if there's pain right now, in the next 3 to 6 months, is pain anticipating we are going to recession if there's a recession. Understand now? Okay, but nevertheless, trade the setup. Don't trade the stock. Don't trade the news. Okay, because when you trade the news, you're going to be confused. Okay, so let's do a weekly swing. Okay, weekly swing. This is T-Mobile. Okay, I think this one hard to trade. Okay, hard to trade because the candles are just too messy. Okay, this one hard to trade. This one OKTA. Okay, OKTN or weekly charts. Okay, haven't trigger. Okay, let's look for trigger. Price goes down already. Hopefully, if it doesn't trigger, candle goes smaller. Okay, then we can wait for trigger. Then wait for this line to catch up. Okay, hopefully this line catch up more. Then we can better risk reward trade. Okay, so yeah, better risk reward trade. So OKTR still looking for weekly swing buy. I think I covered this in live trading class, right? Okay, in live trading class I covered this. I haven't triggered. Okay, so let's get Fong ask one question. F5 network is short, is it? 142 142 you shorted. Quickly cut, I think. 142 you shorted. Wow, not bad day. Okay, so you shorted here, took partial profit, $10 profit at 142 to 132. Okay, 7%. Right now is when to exit the rest. Okay, good. Well, I like this kind of question because this taking profit. You exit how many percent already? 50%. Okay, so you are weekly swing, right? Okay, so weekly swing, let's see, any support. Okay, there is a support here, I think is broken ground. This congestion here looks like it's broken. Wait lah, okay lah, wait and see, okay? Okay, we wait and see what are the things we're waiting for. We're waiting for it to go down some more. If the weekly chart turns to turn positive, then can cover lah, okay? Understand? Okay, so I think this is the next resistance. Resistance is here. Okay, this is the previous support term resistance. So if you are patient, you got 2 more weeks. Okay, you can do for here, swing down again, go lower. Okay, up to you lah. Okay, because you are in the 3rd week already, so you got 2 more weeks. Okay, resistance is here. You can cover 131 here. Okay, if it goes 132, you cover already, right? So if it goes above 132 again, okay, that means go back to here, you can cover. If not, you can cover now lah. If you cover now at 128, right? Okay, and then that's it. 2 weeks, 3 weeks already. 3 weeks effort lah. 3 weeks effort, you make 9% for one. The other one you make 7%. Close shop lah. Look for other things. Also can. Okay, so many ways to do. Okay, you can do. You can wait for it to go lower, but you only got 2 more weeks. Understand? You only got 2 more weeks. If you are waiting for it to go lower, you only have 2 more weeks to go lower. Because by 5 weeks, I want to cover my ground. Okay, by 5 weeks, I cover my trade. Okay, so right now, if it's at here, and then I may cover all lah. Okay, because you're doing weekly swing, right? Wrong. Okay. Okay, so you can cover everything here right now, or you can wait for it to go down in 2 weeks. But you only got 2 more weeks to play. Okay, so that will be all. And then let's see this. Wow, suddenly so many. Okay, after this we finish. Okay, Visa to long swing. I love when you all get good setup and like you all are in profit and you all know what to do already, but you all need to just be more better rather than everything is very new, harder to trade. Okay, so Visa to long swing, yeah. Okay, so Visa to long swing, price coming up. Okay, over here, price coming down here. Wow, last week, you see, last week market quite not so bullish still, right? Last week, is it bullish? Not so bullish, right? Okay, but we have a quite bullish candle, open high close, open low close high. Or trigger, you need to wait for trigger. Okay, trigger must trigger up. Okay, preferably because right now it's candle 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 5. Probably got a smaller candle here, then can give you a better trigger. Got it? you can also go to daily charts. Okay, daily charts. From here, you can also do this. Got it? Then wait for trigger. Okay, this one quite easy. Okay, MOS last week position, MOS last week daily swing. Okay, let's look at that. Last week you swing down already, right? Take profit already low. You are doing swing trade, right? Or position trade? JO. Oh, you're doing position trade. No wonder. Okay, doing position trade, no need lah. Okay, so for swing trade, you take profit, you know why, right? Swing trade because it is swing up, swing down already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullish candle. Right now, it looks like it's what? It's going to go up lah, across. Okay, but your position trade, no need, not so scared lah. Position trade, those two do this. Okay. Actually, this stock hit his support level. Can you see here? His support level. Okay. Right now. Okay, so who is that? JO, right? Actually, this stock now, maybe right now, if you are in profit, I think you should close off. Okay, I think you should close off because I think it may not be going lower. It may be a rebound because if you look at it, this is support. This is support. Yes or no? Okay. If you draw the lines, right? Okay. If you draw the lines, right now it's very far from my MA. It's very far from my MA. Okay, it may rebound back to even 20 plus. Okay. If you look at the trader GPS, this is arrow number 1, arrow number 2 again. Okay. So I may not want to cover this position. Okay. JO. Okay. I find it's not so good. Okay, because it's like long-term support some more. Okay. So JO may want to cover. Okay, so this looks good calculation. Okay, 90966. Most stocks, right, should be downtrend for Hong Kong, right? Can you give me some context, because no context very hard to trade, right? Like, look to buy 966 is what is like. Near support is not a very good reason. Okay, not a very good reason to buy like near support. Okay. Hang on. Okay, I think this is really near support. Okay, because previous time the leg, right, when it went up was around $18. Okay, from $18 it went down this way. Okay, went down this way and then broke up from around $18. Broke up. So I think $18. I think is a good level. Okay, to look at. Okay, buy and then just hang on. This is not trade. This is not investing. Okay, because if you want to put a stop loss, right now, how to put stop loss, I also don't know. Put a buy here, you put a stop loss there, you may get stop out. So okay, so one more distinction of like investing long haul, like just now I talked about STI, and you investing don't have stop loss one because you are like drawing the long-term trend line and things like that. Just buy and just hold for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You know what I'm saying? It's not the kind of trading. Okay, Ping An, there is no swing buy, right? Okay, there's no swing buy. Okay, this is downtrend. Okay, it's downtrend. There's no swing buy. This is just this is Ryan is talking about more is like buying or support, okay? Buying and then not selling. Correct or not, Ryan? You're not going to buy and then if you drop buy $18, you know, like if you drop to $15, you're going to stop, get out, right? No, right? You buy $15, you buy some more, right? So that kind of context, guys, okay? So you need to be sure of your reason when you go in. What is your reason? You go in is for what? Is it for trading? Is it for investing or what? So it becomes clearer to you. Got it? Oh, so don't confuse our guys. If you confuse and jialat already, I did your disservice. Okay, but I think Ryan, if at this level, $19, $18, good level lah. Okay, this is 06, 12, 16, I think good level. Okay. By the way, I think Hong Kong still got hope lah. So don't be so bearish on Hong Kong. Okay, I think Hong Kong people are very resilient. Okay, they go through a lot, but they are pretty resilient. Okay, so some people say, well, after when China like neglect Hong Kong and don't care about, I think it's not true lah. Okay, Hong Kong still has, at least for the next 10, 20 years, still have good chance. Okay, I hope you also don't because now lose money then go and do long term. You all must be consciously and do long term because I want to do long term. It's not because I want to do long term. That's wrong, okay? So it's because you all got free money and you are looking to buy for investment, okay? Not because you trade and wrong and then you're going to do long term, okay? Petro China, I think don't buy yet, okay? Don't buy yet, okay? It's still going downtrend, okay? Desmond. It's still going downtrend. In fact, it broke a long-term support. Okay, it broke a long-term support. It's still going downtrend right now. Don't buy it. Okay, wait for it to bottom. So bottom means what? It must like go sideways. Then it's bottom. Got it? Okay. Last one. Guy go work already. Okay. Ping An, right? Ping An weekly. Wow, Ping An still so strong. Okay, surprised. Yeah, I think not bad also. Okay, Ping An, you're looking for what, Jen? Sorry, swing buy. Okay, yeah. So it's a swing buy. Weekly chart, right? Price goes up, come down. It's a swing buy. Oh, this is the MA. This is the CCI. Okay. The MA is not really sloping up. Okay, this one is sloping up. This one is not sloping up so much compared to here. Here is more sloping up. Here not so sloping up. Okay, but nevertheless, this is a swing setup. Got it? Okay, for the guideline, it's just guideline. Okay, so trigger will be maybe around here. Then you aim for swing. But I'm surprised that stocks like that, they are pretty resilient. Okay, there is a swing weekly trade. Okay, but if you ask me, this weekly swing is also getting topish. Okay, there's a high here, there's a high here. If you swing high, there's a triple top. It's not really like uptrend, no, not like uptrend like that, right? It's not uptrend. It's more like it's this going this way, it's sideways trend. So I'll prefer to trade just now some of the weekly swing like Facebook like that, you know, at least there is some more upside. Okay, but this one like look like it's topish. Okay, so I hope I answer most of the question. One more question is bigger demand. I think it's a good question. Okay, is it because it's very volatile now, so I trade on daily trades? No, not so much, because I'm trading daily or weekly. Is why I choose daily or weekly. It is because now daily don't have setup, correct or not? Because daily right now, if you look at S&P, if you look at S&P charts, and go into daily charts, okay? And go into daily charts, okay? Right now, it's like in the middle of the movement, correct? It's like, if I go into, so when I look at the index, I will know like most of the stock what's happening right now. Most of the stocks right now is in day 2 of the move, right? Right, rebound 1 day, 2 days, correct? So I haven't go overboard now, correct? So only when it goes up to here, maybe another 3-4 days times, okay, then I can look for daily swing. Yes or no? Then I can look for daily swing to sell down. Yes or no? But right now on weekly charts, there's a weekly swing setup. So I look for weekly swing trade. Make sense or not? It's not because it's more volatile. It's not. Okay. So count candle, right? 1, 2, 3. Now it's like 3. Okay. You can even go 4, 5. It means you can settle down 4, 5. Then build base ready. Then go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? It may not like 1, 2, 3 and or up already. It can be 1, 2, 3. Small candle 4, 4 candle 5. Build base. In fact, if you ask me, well, more candle here with tail even better next few weeks, right? Then build up again, even better. Okay, so learn to count the candles. Okay, if not, then thank you very much. I today do like 1 hour, most 1 hour. Okay, because today I off actually, so I do longer. Really, because yesterday, Saturday, Sunday I work, so today I off. Then I do for you. Okay. Okay, if not, then thank you very much and see you next round. Okay, bye.